In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks with To-Do in Outlook. If you often find yourself juggling multiple tasks or just need a better way to keep track of what needs to be done, this guide will help you utilize the task management features available in Outlook effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. When prompted, enter your login details carefully on the sign-in page. If you are already logged in, you might skip this step, but it's essential for those doing this for the first time. After you've entered your information, click the Next button to proceed. This will take you directly to your Outlook dashboard. Now that you are on your dashboard, you want to look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find an option labeled My Day. This is where you can quickly access your tasks. Click on To Do within this section to start managing your tasks. Once you've opened the To Do area, you should see a plus sign that says Add a Task. Click this plus sign and it'll give you a space to write down your task. Think about what you need to accomplish today or in the coming days and jot it down. It could be a meeting preparation, a project deadline, or even a personal reminder. Once you've written down the task, don't forget to click Add to save it to your list. After adding your tasks, you might want to differentiate between them based on their priority. This is where the star sign comes into play. You'll see it on the left side of each task you enter. By clicking the star, you can mark a task as important. It's a simple yet effective way to highlight those tasks that need your immediate attention or have higher priority than others. And there you have it. You can now continue adding as many tasks as needed, star those that are critical, and go about your day with a clear plan. This feature in Outlook not only helps you stay organized, but can also significantly enhance your productivity. It ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and you can focus on what truly matters. Remember, good task management is key to handling workloads effectively. So take some time to set this up each day. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, making your task management a breeze using Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to check back for more tips on productivity and organization. Have a fantastic productive day using your newly organized task list.